Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We all want the latest and greatest versions of any software. Upgrading Windows has been a pain since 1986. Today I'm going to show you a way to upgrade your computer without any hassle. This is the only approved process to upgrade Windows 7 and Windows 8 computers to Windows 10 for free. This program also lets us upgrade any Windows 10 version to the latest one. My Windows version is 1709. And I'm going to upgrade it to 20H2, which is the latest version. I've gone for a break and came back to see Windows Update through an error. Hmm, 77% download complete. I can't trust it, so let's install Windows 10 Upgrade Assistant. Well, this is a legit process approved by Microsoft, and this program can be downloaded from Microsoft website itself. At the time of recording, Windows 10 Update Assistant page was working. Then I later discovered that it is now removed by Microsoft. As long as you have the software, you should be able to use it without any problems. As you can see, the page is being redirected. All you need is the Windows Assistant software, so you can download the executable from Microsoft itself. The download link will be in the description for you. Before you run the program, make sure that you have at least 8 GB free on your C drive. To clear space on your computer, check my other videos. Okay, once you've downloaded, double click on the program to run it. Now click Upgrade Now. Hit Next. There are 3 phases: downloading phase, verifying phase, and updating phase. Found that the default Windows updated through an error once again. I shouldn't trust this program anymore. Okay, once the updating phase is finished, it should automatically restart after 15 minutes, or you can restart the machine by clicking on Restart Now button. It restarts a couple of times, finishes the updates for you. This might take some time depending upon your machine. During this process, make sure that the charger is connected if it's a laptop, and do not turn off the machine. It is 20H2, yay! Let me know if you have any questions, and please like and share my video as it helps a lot, and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thank you, bye.